It has been more than a month since IS officer Durga Shakti Nagpal was suspended by Uttar Pradesh government for her crackdown on the UP sand mining mafia in Greater Noida. But Times Now investigations have now revealed that efforts are on to undo the work done by the honest IS officer before her suspension.
An honest officer who did what few in her shoes would have dared to do. Take on the might of the formidable sand mining mafia of Uttar Pradesh. And for that, she has been targeted, suspended and even mocked. But her detractors aren't satisfied yet. Times Now investigations have revealed that efforts are underway to undo the work Durga Shakti Nagpal had done against the sand mining mafia during her tenure.
We are at this moment standing in the Kasna village, even as reports coming in that several of the trucks that were seized by Durga Shakti Nagpal have now gone missing. At least 80% of those entire trucks of the illegal sand mining mafia have gone missing from this police station and even several others including Dankor, Surajpur and several areas in Greater Noida and Noida.
When confronted, officials at the Kasna police station could offer no explanation for the missing evidence, but revealed the extent of the cover-up involved and confessed how Durga Shakti Nagpal was targeted because her investigations made some powerful people very uncomfortable.
दुर्गा शक्ति नागपाल की वजह से भी तो बड़ा
नहीं, इसका तो देखो अब ये तो एक ऐसे अधिकारी थे इन्होंने तो बहुत रोक लगाई है, बहुत कुछ किया, लेकिन इन पे जो आरोप लगाया जिसको निलंबित किया गया था एक मस्जिद का मामला लगा था, मस्जिद की दीवार गिरा दी थी, जबकि इसका कोई मतलब नहीं,
वजह तो कुछ चक्कर ही नहीं था,
इसका कोई मतलब नहीं था, तो पब्लिक ने गिराई, इसको तो बेचारे को यहाँ के लोगों ने
फंसा दिया।
ये जो खनन माफिया थी इन लोगों ने जो है इसको जो है किया
हमें पता है कि हम लोग
चलो ठीक है, मैं दीपक जी को फोन करते हैं फिर।
वैसे ऐसा अधिकारी होना चाहिए
दुर्गा शक्ति नागपाल
ऐसा अधिकारी
होना चाहिए,
अगर हो जाए तो देश सुधर जाए, लेकिन एक दो अधिकारी ऐसा बन जाता है तो वो बेचारा नाकारा हो जाता है, अकेला चना भाड़ नहीं खोल सकता है।
But senior officials of Uttar Pradesh police have no answers to explain the disappearance of crucial evidence.
अभी भी मतलब बहुत जगह ये खुदाई चल रही है।
दरअसल अभी तो चोरी से पता चल ही रहा, खुदाई नहीं चल रही, जो लोगों ने स्टॉक लगा रखे थे ना पहले उनमें से निकाल दें, स्टॉक लगा रखे लोगों ने उसमें से मौका देखते हुए कभी निकाल देते हैं।
अच्छा,
हालांकि हमारे थाना क्षेत्र में तो कोई नहीं, अब ये जो कोटा की तरफ पड़ता है क्षेत्र से जैसे दमकोट साइड में कहीं हो रहा हो तो इधर वैसे मुश्किल है, अगर कोई निकालना है तो स्टॉक में से उठाना।
Nearly 80% of the illegal sand seized by Durga Shakti Nagpal that has been stolen in the last 1 week and reportedly been sold to an aide of a politician from Greater Noida.
The startling fact coming out when the police officer told Times Now that the brave officer Durga Shakti Nagpal was actually being framed of something that she had not done, and that's why, because of her honesty and commitment to work in her region as the SDM of Greater Noida, she was targeted by a political party, by a certain government for their own respective ends.
She was first targeted for doing her duty, and now efforts are on to undo her efforts. Does the Chief Minister have any answers for these gross violations? With Aditya Raj Kaul in Kasna, Sagarika Mitra for Times Now.